The recently published Welsh Government Innovation Strategy recognises how crucial universities are in driving research and development. Both the University and Colleges Union, the Universities and Colleges Union have warned excessive workloads are impacting all levels of staff, with 60-hour weeks being common and high numbers reporting strain. And these issues are especially affecting those on low-pay, precarious contracts such as postgraduate researchers. University staff have been left with no choice but to take industrial action, and Plaid Cymru stands in solidarity with UCU members on strike this week. So what conversations is the Welsh Government having with HE management to lobby them to bring a serious pay offer to the negotiations, resolve the recurring pensions dispute with a proposal for Wales, and to improve terms and conditions? Will you commit to collaborating with unions to tackle these issues, causing staff to leave the sector and often our country? And in particular, Swansea University UCU have called for a five-way meeting between the universities, the governing bodies, UCU, the Welsh and Westminster governments to seek urgent bridging funding for the research staff made redundant this month as a result of withdrawal of structural funds, and to plan ahead for a knowledge economy insulated from stop-start funding policies. So what has been the Welsh Government's response to that initiative?